Hello everyone, this is Zach here from TripPSA. So today this short video will look into Ultra, from KuCoin. So currently we do see there is kind of like a big pullback is forming with a spring near the 40 moving average. Okay, so overall the trend is still pretty good. So potentially they might going into some reaccumulation. Right. So let's look into the background. We tend to want to look into the overall setups and background. Okay, by looking into daily chart and forward charts. Okay, for those who are looking for short-term tradings. So previously we have this Green Pentagon here. Okay, which is a sign of a potential bullish trends coming. So NS is no supply, so which means that they are building a nice support around this area. So for those that who don't know, we are using a technical volume spread analysis to study the chart setups. Okay, so of course in between here we also have some sort of like a so-called a small or minor pullbacks happening over here, right? But if you realize this red pentagon representing a potential of bearish trend is coming, right? They don't have any follow through, and the price holding well subsequent and a green pentagon, and able to push the price up. So from this green pentagon here to the previous top, so it can generate around like 20 or percent, just within like 2 weeks. So this is a big one, okay, to help you around 60 percent, okay, before actually it start to pull back again. So of course we prefer to see the green pentagon if you are riding on the overall bigger trends, but for those that who are looking for short term, you can actually check out using the forward charts. Okay, so forward chart actually can give you a better timing as well. Like for example here, green pentagons, right? You're able to write the trend from here to here to the top. Okay, almost 100%. Okay, before actually it turns to red pentagons, sideways, and it drop below. So whenever you see red pentagons and the price is below 20, 40-day moving average, we tend to want to avoid this area because this is representing a weakening in trend, probably a downtrend, right? So now we have green pentagon. The price is coming back to 2040. So I guess most likely they have a chance to retest, okay, on the potential resistance. So hopefully in our chart we will see a little bit of pullbacks coming in, okay, forming around the forward charts. So towards the resistance we still got around like 40%, okay. So let's see how it goes. If let's say there's any changes in terms of the chart setups, we will give an updates to everyone soon.